This outstanding example of the 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan American Value Package is offered by Connell Nissan. Drive home in your new pre-owned vehicle with the confidence of knowing you're fully backed by the Carfax buyback guarantee. It's not a misprint, and the odometer isn't broken. This is a very low-mileage Dodge Grand Caravan, a rare find these days. The Grand Caravan American Value Package will provide you with everything you have always wanted in a car: quality, reliability, and character. More information about the 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Grand Caravan was one of the first minivans to make it big in North America, and it's still one of the best. The base Grand Caravan starts under $21,000 and then brings a 6-speed automatic, heated power mirrors, keyless entry, 2-zone air conditioning and standard stability control, tire pressure monitoring and a host of airbags. EPA estimated mileage on the highway is a strong 25 mpg. Strengths of this model include tons of storage space, comfortable ride, and versatile interior. Rental cars from $19.99 per day. Ask for details. Connell Nissan is #1 in the USA in GTR sales as reported by Nissan. Total sales from 2009 to 2013.